We're going off-road, way back off the highway.
What's up, guys? I'm Chris with The Average Jeepers, and today we're going to change the end on the drag link right here. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Alright guys, as you can see, this bushing is just completely blown out, so it's time to get replaced. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get this pin right here out of there. I've already straightened it out. It's probably going to be a pain in the ass to get out. Alright, it's out. Now if your pin was stuck, you can just snip it and then just break the bolt loose and it'll just eat right through it to get the bolt out. Let's see. Now we break this nut loose. Alright, you can get a tune fork and put it in here. You can pry down, or just get something in there and pry down. Alright, now you got that piece of shit off. We need to get a measurement from here to right here. Let's do that now. Alright guys, so now you got this off, you need to get a measurement from here to here. So in our case, it is 3 3/4 to the center. So you're going to want to write this down because you are going to need that number later. Also, it's not a bad idea to count the turns when you take this off. But what we're going to do is we're going to put a mark on the threads here. So when we take it off and we hold it up to the old one, we'll know roughly about where we got to screw it to before we can start really measuring. Alright, next we need to loosen this nut right here. Alright, when you get that nice and loose, remember that these are reverse threaded, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. And then we just need to unscrew this. You're probably going to need a set of, oh no, this one's actually going pretty smooth. That wasn't bad at all. And hopefully yours goes just as that smooth. Alright, so here's the new one. Here's the part number if anybody wants it. Let's open it up. get a grease fitting, get a castle nut, you get a Carter pin, and you get the tie rod in. Alright, so what we need to do, we're going to put this grease fitting in for measurement sakes. Alright, so when you get that same measurement that we had, this one looks a little bit longer. Nope, they're the same. Alright, so we just need to get that measurement to that one. So we'll mark it, and then we'll screw it on, measure it again, and then we'll tighten it up. Okay, so we've measured and we marked the new one, and now we got to put it on. Alright, let's put this back on. Once again, remember that it's reverse threaded, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. Put it on here. Hopefully it goes on just as smooth as it first. The other one came off. Alright, that's pretty close. Now remember that number that you wrote down? That special number you've been using this whole time? We need to find that number. We are far from that number. And we're not too far from that number. Right on that number now. There we go. Okay. Now we need to get this in here. Okay. Get your castle nut. Alright. It's probably going to be a pain in the ass. Let's see if we can get a better view. Get it in there. Once you get it in, you might have to tap it a little bit. Get it in enough to get your castle nut on. Alright. Alright, now we need to tighten up coupling. come back up here, finish tightening it. A bit more. Till you get a good line through your hole in your castle nut. Take your new cotter pin. I like to bend one way and the other one the other way. I can't really see that well because you guys are in the way with the camera. There we go. Alright, now we're going to tighten up the grease fitting. Okay. It's tight. Now we're going to fill it with grease. It's a good idea to check your alignment after doing something like this. If this video helped you guys at all, give this video the thumbs up. If you want more Jeeps, check out those playlists. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys on the next video.